Hey my babies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Riah J, and I'm back with another video. Today is Thursday, my babies. I hope all is well with you all is well with me. And I hope we all are continuing to stay about happiness, peace, and love. And I hope we all are continuing to stay determined, motivated, and focused. And I hope we all are continuing to walk in the alignment of stars that Allah has for us. In today's video, my babies, I'm giving y'all another mukbang. And today we're eating, you already know by the title, but this is the food. Let me show y'all. Yuki ate all my cheese. There she goes. She ate all the cheese. So yeah, I'm eating Chipotle today. I have brown rice, chicken, pinto beans, mild sauce, mild and medium sauce, corn, lettuce, cheese on the side. I didn't get no sour cream. I need some. Hold on, y'all. Gotta clean my hands. She's beautiful. Oh, I like her nails, yellow nails. Nice and bright. Let me say my prayers, y'all.
No, she shows me. And when things like that happen, like she just blow off. She get angry, like she go literally from 0 to 100. Like, I mean, well, when you say 0
Okay, so hold on, y'all. I gotta eat.
I was out with one of my friends, and she called me home. She was like, "Hey, you need to come home." And I was like, "Is everything okay?" And then like she was just like, "You need to get here." And I'm like, "Okay."
First of all, I'm really hungry.
Walking into the door, I hear like loud music. I'm like, "Okay, are we about to have a party or something? Like, what's going on?"
I made me y'all gonna see this on Friday, by the way. So if you watched the previous content video, then you know that I had a bagel, okay, a toasted bagel with fried egg and hot sauce. Cause I did a content video earlier, so this is the same day. Oh, I bought a few things today. I wanted to show y'all. I'm too hungry though right now. I gotta eat. But I bought Wookie some rain and snow boots, 2-in-1. Really cute. They're like black and then they have polka dots on them. I bought her I don't know the exact color. It's like an orange reddish pea coat, and it's really great. I bought me a new coat. Damn, I wish I could show y'all. I'm so hungry right now though. And I bought her 2 new shirts. Yeah, that's it. I bought her 2 jackets, her jacket, her pea coat, my coat. 2 shirts and the boots. Oh my God, Chipotle. I miss you. I've had this food for like 2 hours and I didn't eat it. Just had it sitting here on the table. I needed to like build up. I needed my craving for it to like build up. So I waited until I got the baby. Now I'm eating. So what I want to talk about today is I want to talk about Pretty V I know the girl from Instagram. She do the skits and stuff. I watched her. Her Breakfast Club interview, and she's a great conversationalist. Like, she knows how to articulate herself really well, and she's funny. So I enjoyed the interview, but I wasn't gonna watch the interview, but I had heard you know how they play like little snippets of the up and coming interview on the radio. So I had heard it, and they brought up that she had shitted. Oh my god, she had shitted on her best friend's bathroom floor. So I was like, I gotta watch that. So I watched it today. That story was wild. If you haven't, you should go check it out. But I'm gonna tell y'all anyway. She was at her best friend's house, and I got a little headache too. She was at her best friend's house, and she was saying like she don't sit on people's toilets. You know, she was like, it's just a natural thing for her. Like she grew up not sitting on people's toilets. I'm guessing besides her own, you know, and she was at her best friend's house. She went to use the bathroom, take a number 2, and she was like, I squatted. You know how you get down and then you roll it up and you wipe. And that was it. She went out the bathroom, I guess. And her best friend had went in the bathroom after her. And so, I'm sorry, this food is so good. When her friend went in the bathroom after her, her best friend was like, what's that on the floor, an almond? Yes. And she was like, what's that? An almond. And she was like, you shit it on my floor. Or, she cleaned it up or whatever. Life went on. But this was, I think, 3 years ago. And the reason why it's being talked about now is because y'all know the show Girls Cruise with Little Kim, Maya, and Chili. So Pretty V and her best friend B Simone, they was on the show with them. So they was playing Never Have I Ever. And Pretty V said, I never shitted, whatever she said, I never shitted before myself, whatever. And B Simone brung up, she was like, yes you did, because you shitted on my floor. She brung it up in front of Little Kim, Maya, and Chili. So everybody was just like, oh my God, So she was pissed at her best friend, like, why you bringing that up? That's so old. Her friend was like, but it's on YouTube, it got 1 million views. Like, she kept on going. And Pretty V was upset. So, Angela Yee, I don't know where, I think she's on tour with her podcast. That's why she wasn't at the interview. But, you know, Charlamagne and Envy, it was like, you didn't know you sitting on the floor? You sitting on her bathroom floor? It was just a mess. So they was, you know, asking her more questions and laughing. And then she blamed it on, she was like, she just didn't know, you know, she guessed it just fell out, you know, her booty or whatever after the fact. So not only did you sit on the floor, you don't know how to squat directly over the toilet. You had a shitty ass because if poop is coming out your butt after you wipe, you smelly and you funky, you know? And then she was blaming it on DC Young, his daughter. She was like, no, that had to be from the dog, or that had to be from little Nova, little DC's daughter. She's like, still to this day, I don't think it was me. No, it was you. You're just embarrassed. Oh no, that story's a little embarrassing. Like if that happened to me, oh my God. You know? That's embarrassing. This food is cold too. You know, I don't mind eating cold food as long as the food is good. I'll eat cold food. You know what I mean? Not cold, like out the refrigerator or anything, you know? But food that you probably just let sit, you know, like I just let my food sit here for a little bit. I need this headache to go away. I need to start using my new water bottle. I still haven't used it. And throw that out. So yeah, I hope all is well with you all. Y'all gonna have, maybe I should just do a mini shopping I should do a mini Target haul. Yeah, maybe I'll do it. And show y'all everything. So I'll do that later though, because my head, I don't know why I got this headache. I thought it was because I'm hungry, but now I'm eating. It's like, oh. What else I wanted to tell you? Oh, tomorrow's Friday. Hopefully the library, I would have uploaded today, but the library didn't open until 1 o'clock today, and that wasn't a good time for me today. So tomorrow, hopefully they open at 10 o'clock. So I can go upload all this content. I got 3 new content videos coming for y'all, including this one. 4 if I do the mini Target haul. This weather don't know what it want to do too. Morning time is freezing. now the sun is out, and it's, you know, I was hot when I got off the bus from Target and stuff. I was hot. I know y'all hear it. I'm watching Divorce Court. These two women are married. They're 10 years apart, 36 and 26. They've been married for 5 years. I think they got kids. The older one think the young one, you know, is gonna leave her for a man. She was texting a coworker. It was like, oh, can you give me a hug today? You know, when it comes to same-sex relationships, you got to be careful with that. You have to actually know that a person is, you know, who and what they say they are. But I mean, even so, I guess it's all about trust, loyalty, and respect, because we're human and we can change our minds, you know, especially women. Women, we are, excuse me, ladies, don't ever let nobody tell you can't change your mind. You are a woman, and us as women can change our mind whenever we want, okay? Because that's just what we can do, you know? But, you know, as far as that, yeah, I think it just comes down to loyalty, trust, and respect, you know? They BBW too, and she's standing in them hills. I can't do hills. You know, I gotta train my feet to do hills. I just can't. My feet be killing me, y'all. I would take my shoes for my 5th grade prom and for my 21st birthday. I took my heels off and walked the street barefoot. I couldn't do it. Anyways, y'all, I got a few bites left, but I don't want this video to go over 20 minutes. As you can see, I'm struggling with this headache. Y'all, so I'm gonna end the content video now. I love you all so much, my babies. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace and love.